ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra ashapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ka Sorkar Jala kala IT mon Laitluid Shakibor penyaj Shnong bakin shim hi karai laki Ngodai ban Plie no lani bakin dang Khang Shwa ki Jaka Jngohkai Pyrthei ki badan ha ka jilli jong ka Shnong jongki hadin mo ka Sorkar Jala kala ai jingbet ban Plie no ki Jaka Jngohkai Pyrthei hapo kane ka Jilla Meghalaya nadu ka shitarik ubunai nailur arajar arbuwei Haka jingya keren mat kilat pathai khubor Menteri Rangba jong ka Sorkar Jilla Konrad Konggal Sangma ulaong ba ka Sorkar Jilla ka kwa ba ki jing trai kam kin pleno kumba julong kumba menshwa hadin ba ki pai ba kilamat ya ka jingdo nong ki ba khrau hado kata-kata na ka jingwan lenshop jong ka khlam jingpang COVID-19 Hakabai day pat bat ka jing terwa jong ka office usim ka hima sora ban penyang ya ka kherdop ka ban pet ngor bat ban pet perman ya ka jingwan rung jong ki nong Jngohkai Pyrthei sya ka thain sora Menteri Rangba ulaong baki bor Shnong ki donhi ya ka bor bat ki la ban pentrai kam ya ka rai jong ki kat baki ngobin da ka bai trailang bat ki bor Sinshar district Shusho uloong ru baka Sorkar Jala kala bencet ru ha ki Deputy Commissioner bakin penmi ya ki kindon jing petha ne ka benta ban yada bat ban khanglat ya ka jing sapriang jong ka khlam jing pang COVID-19 wat la ka jing don jong ki bayabit ya ka jing pang COVID-19 kila nang her ha ki ne ki khandiat sngi
We've been very clear with everybody, whether it's tourism or with schools, that the local authorities will have a lot of power to decide what they want to do. So if a particular village in Sora area or in Jngohkai Hills or Riboy do not desire that tourists should come in, then they can close their tourism sector. There's no problem in that. Similarly, schools also, if they feel that they don't want to open up, nobody's going to force them. What we are trying to do right now is we're trying to open up in a phase-wise manner and give the flexibility to people who would like to, open up, and at the same time allow people who are not very comfortable with things opening up. We're allowing the flexibility for them not to. So if people from Sora or whichever area, I won't take names, since you mentioned it, I'm just mentioning it, but whichever area it may be, it will entirely depend on them. And if the local area people are not comfortable, then they may close the sector for the time being and see and wait when situation improves or when they feel comfortable about it.